Venture capital has had a difficult few years, but when a portfolio is growing and exits are still happening at strong multiples, investors start paying attention. Today, we're looking at Molten Ventures' FY26 results, the momentum building in space tech, and how the business is scaling third-party capital. I'm joined by Ben Wilkinson, Chief Executive Officer at Molten Ventures. Ben, welcome to the watch list.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for joining us. So tell us, Ben, Molten reported a strong set of FY26 results with gross portfolio value up 13% and another year of realizations at attractive multiples. For those who haven't had a chance to dig into the numbers, what were the key themes and takeaways?
Yeah, as you say, very strong set of results. We're very pleased to see that the growth across the portfolio and the breadth of that growth coming from many different companies, including some of our larger assets like ICEYE and Isar and Ledger and Revolut and such like. On the realizations front, 120 million coming back. So again, another strong year of returning capital. And the growth is really built on our track record. So we target 20% growth through the cycle. And as an average, we're over 26%. So it's very pleasing set of results.
And one area that really stands out is space tech, which is having a genuine moment as governments and commercial customers look for sovereign intelligence, security, and resilience from space. Your portfolio company, ICEYE, has just closed a landmark funding round at a valuation above 10 billion euro. What's driving that momentum, and how is Molten positioned to benefit from it?
Well, absolutely right. This was a piece of news that came out alongside our results. So we had the uplift to the ICEYE valuation in addition to the full year results. So that takes our portfolio value up an additional 238 million, which it takes the net asset value 15% higher to £8.77 a share. And what's driving that is really some of those themes you touched on, that sovereignty and resilience point. The geopolitical shifts over really the past year have led governments to be increasingly understanding they need to own their own intelligence services. And they're using companies like ICEYE to drive that. Molten has invested in the space sector since 2018 when we first invested in ICEYE. And then we're also an investor in the satellite business, Satellite View, which is a UK company, and then the European rocket launch business called ICEYE Aerospace. So we are very well positioned to benefit from these current trends. And we think that these are very much sectoral shifts rather than cyclical. So we think that will play out over a long period of time.
And Ben, as venture markets mature, more firms are looking beyond their own balance sheets and towards scalable fund structures. Scaling third-party capital and building co-investment structures came through as a clear strategic priority in the results. Can you walk us through what Molten is doing in this area and why it matters for the business from here?
Yeah, Molten, we've built a platform to invest in European technology into the venture capital asset class. We pool different groups of capital. The largest of those is the listed balance sheet. And then we're investing across direct investments and secondaries and also through fund positions. We really recognize that by augmenting the PLC capital with third-party capital, what we're providing to our shareholders is a more consistent approach to the deal flow and the high quality of deals that we're able to secure. And to do that, we're raising a growth fund, which is focused on Series B+. We've announced in these results a cornerstone for that fund. But in addition to that, we'll be raising a secondaries fund, and we have a fund that's focused on the Eastern European part of the market. So the key benefit is that consistency of the capital pools, but there's also a secondary benefit of fee income coming back into the listed vehicle. And you mentioned before, venture capital maybe having some tough times. It's being able to drive those different capital pools to invest consistently and through cycles that matters here. And we believe that that will drive better results for all of our investors.
So this is a story of portfolio resilience, selective exits, and exposure to some of the strongest long-term themes in private technology markets. Thank you for your time today, Ben.
A pleasure. Thank you.
Once again, that is Ben Wilkinson, Chief Executive Officer of Molten Ventures. For more on the company and its portfolio, visit moltenventures.com. That's all for this episode of The Watchlist. I'm Ricky Lee. Make good choices today.